What's going on, Jack? Puppy Bowl's gonna be on. Well, he's watching the commercials right now. He's watching the commercials right now. Oh, there's a tiger. Oh no, it's sad. Very sad. Okay. He's jacked up about it. Well, I recorded it wrong because I didn't record it landscape. So I got to get him again. Oh, mattress is boring. Look at this dog. Hello, Monk. Hello, Monk. You could be in a puppy bowl. Jack's a big sports fan, huh, Jack? All right, here we go. Boring. Treehouse Masters, boring. Not so boring, Jack. That's a good show.
You know, taking your dog for a walk is a great way to be active, and that's good for both ends of the league. 16 minutes of physical activity a day, along with eating a well-balanced diet, is all kids need to stay healthy. So, don't be an armchair quarterback. Let's move.
Must be halftime, Jack. Are you ready? Oh, I don't have Instagram. That stinks. We don't have Instagram, Jack, but we could post this. We'll post this on YouTube. Oh, it's halftime. It's halftime, Jack. It's just cats, Jack. They're cats. Are you done with this halftime show?